Today we're going to replace the plug over here with a new one, NGK. At the moment the plug here is from my car and it's the same dimension, so it's just put it in and it started the engine. Maybe the temperature range would be different, so I bought a real lawnmower spark plug specified by the manual of this lawnmower. So we're going to replace the plug today. So firstly we're going to remove this spark plug cap, and then we remove the old spark plug, and then we use the new spark plug. We're going to set the gap. So set the gap 0.75 millimeter, and if it's not, we can use this side to change the gap of the spark plug. So this is the tool for setting the gap, and then we're going to install the new plug to the machine. Now let's get started. So firstly we're going to remove the cap of the spark plug. So just pull it out and leave it there like this. So we're going to use a spanner to remove the plug. Here you can see the spark plug is just over there, so we're going to put our spanner through there. And very difficult with one hand. And okay, so we break it out. So we're going to remove the plug like this. So this is the old plug. So this is the plug from my car. You can see it is a Bosch plug from my BMW. So this is a new plug, NGK. You can see NGK, and here you can see it is BPR 5 ES and 11, and also we have the part number here. You can see for this lawnmower, you can see the spark plug should be set to 0.75 millimeter. So this is the spark plug gauge, so we use the 0.75 and to measure the spark plug like this. So you can see the gap is too big, so we're going to use this side to bend it, to bend the spark plug inward. So we're going to use this side to just bend, and then measure the gap again. Still not enough, so we're going to bend it again and measure again, and we measure again here. So now it's okay, just a little bit of resistance. You can put this gauge over the gap. That should be fine. So that's the whole of the spark plug. So we're going to just put it in with hand. So after it's finger tight, just make it a little bit tighter. It should be fine with one hand. That should be okay. So next we're going to put this spark plug cap on. Align it very well and press until you hear a click. That's it. So that's how to install, how to replace a spark plug on this lawnmower. So this is a plug from my car, and the same dimension at the end, so I put it to the lawnmower, and I ran it for about 10 to 20 minutes. So we can have a look. This plug spark spanner for this plug for my car, and for the lawnmower we need the bigger one. So let's just have a look. So after 10 or 20 minutes run, and it was a clean spark before I install it. Now you can see, so you can see there some sooty thing. Another look of the spark plug, the tip. So this spark plug may be a little bit too cold for the lawnmower, so you should always use specified spark plug for lawnmower. So this is from a car, and it's good for testing and to prove the spark plug faulty. So it started the engine, and now I replace it with the specified spark plug for the lawnmower.